In today's tutorial, we'll learn about an exciting auto-rotate system for health bars and player names in games. This system dynamically adjusts the orientation of these elements based on our player's perspective, ensuring that even if opponents face a different direction, we can still see their health bars and names facing our way. Let's dive in and bring this exciting feature to your game. First, go to your character blueprint. In my case, I am using third-person character. You can also use this system for bots. Here I am using event tick to update my player position every second. I will make new function to separate my auto-rotate system so that I can use this in future without any confusion. Now, we can test out feature. It is not working because that character is not client and is locally controlled. If you try this system for enemy bots, you have to remove locally controlled branch. Here, we can see it is working for client after I tested it in listen server mode. But we can still see our own health bar and player name. We don't want this to happen, so I will show you how to remove it in two different ways. You can either destroy component like this, or you can enable owner knows see inside rendering. Finally, we can see that our own player name and health bar is gone, and we can only see opponent health bar and names that auto-rotates wherever you go. Here, I am using destroy component method while I previously used owner knows C method. Thank you for watching. Also, you can comment on what type of video you guys want me to make.